everyone, thanks so much for joining. Today we're going to go over how to edit your Pinterest report template that you can purchase from the Common Mama Co. It's $11 if you haven't gotten it already, but that's really what this is about. I use a couple Canva elements in here that you might not be familiar with, and I just wanted to go ahead and walk you through so that you can use your Pinterest report template without any issues. So the first thing you're going to want to do is use the template, and that's going to help you create a copy of the monthly report. It should auto-populate into your Canva account. Once you're in your monthly report, you'll kind of see where it is. You can change everything in here from the colors to your fonts to your background images. Anywhere that this little image with the mountains and the sky background, you can change it. You can change your pin icon. In my personal one, I use white because I have a darker background color, but it's kind of up to you. You can keep it in line with your clients' mood board and brand board, or you can do your own. Everything that you want to use to edit your Canva doc is going to be in the left-hand tab. This is where you're going to find the different types of fonts, which you can change. I personally use Buffalo for my fancy script font and Lato for my regular. Now, as we scroll down to my next page that I have included in the template, we have the account overview. I typically put a photo in this laptop. I take a screenshot of my client's account, trying to give them an idea of what we're talking about. It's just more aesthetically pleasing. I'm kind of looking for, I thought I had a screenshot, but we'll just use this image for now. In the next page, you might notice a few more elements that you're not familiar with. These graphs, for instance, and as you can see, I also labeled anything that you can change as X's. This is typically a number, whether it's percent or an actual count. But as you can tell, these graphs, I've broken it down into series. The series are the months. The series one for me is the initial month before they started management, and then I add additional months so you can see the growth over time. I did this for all of them. You can tell they're labeled accordingly. Now you can go in and specify, instead of series, put months. That's kind of a personal decision. You'll see that we have graphs coming up again on page 4/5. Everything's already settled, so you don't really have to change much. These are the exact ones I use in Pinterest. And then down below is and there you have it. I tried to make it as easy as possible, and if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out.